What's up, fam? It is day number 2 camping in West Virginia. It is pretty awesome. I'm right on a river and there's like this mountain cliff thing on the other side. I'll show you that in a second. I'm also going to use the drone to explore. But I spent the first half of today working from the camper. The Pep Wave is awesome. I got super solid internet connection. I was watching YouTube videos. I was uploading content. I was editing videos. I was working on some website stuff. Perfect connection. Love the Pep Wave. Now, my game plan is to get all dressed up, geared up to go out on a hike. There is this little trail. It is about 4 miles. It's a loop. It's called Lover's Leap, or there's a part on the trail where it's called Lover's Leap, and it's like this cliff that overlooks the river that I'm on right now. So I'm going to go explore that, get ready to rock and roll, and do some hiking. First, though, let's check out this campsite with the drone. Drone's always fun when you're at new campsites and new areas with awesome scenic features, because you get a cool view, and man, that was sweet. One thing I learned, like these little cottages over there on the other side that are like chilling over there on the other side of the river. There we go. Look at those. Those are cool. Like little houses. The only way to get to them is either by the railroad that goes right behind them or a boat. Pretty secluded. Pretty sweet. All right, now I'm geared up. We've got the jacket, we've got the warmth. Let's go hiking. So I'm driving to get to the trailhead, which is about 15 minutes from the campsite. That's awesome. However, on the way, I just passed this place called the Mystery Hole. It actually popped up on my Google Maps for some reason, and I drove by it. It's like this covered area, which looks like it's kind of from the 60s, and it says, "Come see the world famous Mystery Hole." It was unfortunately closed for the season. Granted, I don't know if I should stop and see something that's called a mystery hole on the side of the road. I probably would have done it if it was open though. Onward! We've made it to the destination of where the trailhead is supposed to be. Gladys is parked up, ready to chill while I do this hike. I just have to find the trailhead. It's not like located next to the parking lot, so let's look for some info. So this is actually a little park that I've been exploring, just trying to find the trailheads. Spoke to a park ranger. Found the places we need to go. Unfortunately, Lover's Leap Trail is closed, which is okay because there's a lot of more trails around here. So now I'm going to the trailhead to begin this hike. A lot of good views though, as you can already see. We found the trail. We're just hiking along some cliffs. It's pretty cool. And this isn't like a super easy trail either. A lot of rocks in the way. I like it. Now, I did find a little bit of history on the Lover's Leap Trail, which is why I kind of wanted to do that one. So, this little town, on the outskirts of it, there was a Native American tribe that set up camp there. And this is the folklore behind the story of Lover's Leap. The chieftain or the leader of the tribe had a daughter. She was supposed to marry this leader's son from another tribe. Makes sense, form an alliance. However, she didn't want to. She loved someone in her own tribe. So she did not want to marry this other individual from a different tribe. but her dad forced her to, and he was like, yo, you're marrying this other dude, and you're gonna be on lockdown until that happens. So she ran away with the guy from her tribe that she wanted to marry, and the father sent out warriors to track them down. Eventually, they caught up to these two lovers right at the edge of the cliff, and they couldn't get away. So instead of giving themselves up, they decided to jump. So they jumped off the cliff and died together. That is the story, and why it is known as Lover's Lake. All right, I'm gonna try to hike and not talk to you so I don't fall down. How big that is. It's just a sheer mass of rock. I don't know why I thought of this, but can you just imagine like something that big, 10 times that big, moving across a continent? It's called a glacier. Holy frick. We've made it to Fisherman's Trail because all these trail systems are connected. This is more like an access road, which makes sense because there's like a lot of fancy types of things out there on the river. There's a bridge over this way. I want to go check out that bridge. It's a good little break. I'm getting a little toasty. What a perfect day for hiking in the winter. This river, the one that I've been exploring, is actually the river that I'm camping on. It's just like ways down that way, so I could technically build a little raft and make my way back to the campsite. We can't leave Gladys, so I'm actually heading back up the trail where I came. The sun is starting to go down behind those mountains, and I'm not trying to do a night hike like I did before with my wife. Not a fan of that. So head back. There's on the way back to the campsite, I'm gonna park once again because there's this like 1 mile hike that apparently has a pretty cool view. So I'm gonna check that out, and then we're gonna head back to the campsite, get some dinner, and chill with Gladys in West Virginia, baby. I know that it's obvious, but climbing back up a trail after going down it is a freaking workout. Holy cow. I need to start exercising on a regular basis. It's too hot. I thought it was gonna be cold, but the day is beautiful. I don't need that extra layer. I'm back at the car, and I had to take like all my layers off. I am like sweating. It's winter, this is gross. I need to exercise, holy cow. All right, one more hike, let's go. This is the last little hike that I wanted to go on today. This one's kind of like paved. It's more of a touristy spot because I think it overlooks a tunnel that was created, Hawk's Nest Tunnel. And there was this terrible accident, one of the biggest industrial accidents of its time, where over 370 people, workers, died creating this tunnel because they were breathing in all the rock dust when they were digging this tunnel, and it ended up killing them. The goal was to dig this tunnel for hydroelectric power so that water could funnel through and then create energy. Thankfully, good legislation came out of that to protect workers, so that's good, but I think maybe you can see some of that from here. Check it out. Well, fam, there's the bridge. So we essentially hiked from up here, zigzagging all the way down to about right there. Like, what a view. Solid day of hiking. Saw a lot of cool stuff. Definitely got my workout in. Now we're gonna head back, get camp set up again, and then chill, do some editing, get ready for another day of adventure tomorrow. Yo, this is the mystery hole. The mystery hole is inside of there. I don't know what's happening. Fam, I am back in Gladys after taking a lovely shower because that was quite an intense hike. Even got the candle burning. I'm gonna snag some dinner, finish editing some stuff on the laptop, and get some rest so we can continue on another adventure in West Virginia tomorrow. I will see you then. Peace.